Right then, so where we left off last week, we was trying to convert a binary number into decimal, and we was going to go with this. So, but first things first, there is a bug in this add to score. There is a bug. And I have no reason why I was thinking about it, but it came to me in a dream. Oh, it's sad when I'm starting to think this thing in dreams. But there is a bug. There is a bug. If the number is 9, right, and I'm adding 9, for example, right, so I'm bringing in 9 and then I add it to the location with 9 in, so that makes it 18. So that's going to be bigger than this, right, but we just reset it back to 0 and it shouldn't be. It should be 8. Oh, excuse me. It should be 8. So there's a bug. And for some reason it came to me in a dream. I have no idea why. No idea why. But oh, I woke up thinking I better make a note of that. And I got it written down here. And you want to know what time it was when it came to me? 4:37 in the morning. I can't believe I'm starting to dream this stuff. Anyway, so we store it, and it's 18, yeah? So instead of loading 0, that's when you know you really learned the language. yeah, mate, yeah. But what we need to do is we need to take 10 away, right? So when it's 18, you know, the number 18, we take 10 away. That'll be 8. So that's the digit we need to put back, yeah. Not load it with 0. So we can't do that, but we can do this. So we need to load this. Yeah. Set the carry, subtract 10, and then store it back. So if it's, let's just say we are adding 1 and it's 9. So we load 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Yeah. We test for 10, which is here. Of course, it's equal to. So it'll come here. So we load 10, subtract 10. That's 0. That should work. And we've just done the other extreme, which is 9 plus 9. Yeah. That should work. Yeah. It was, you know, how the hell am I dreaming this sort of stuff? I have no idea. No idea. Right. So, I wanted to make this more generic, right? We've got to sort this out, but that's fine. So this is the display decimal, yeah. Hey Docster. So this is the display decimal, and we nicked it from this website, yeah. We nicked it from there. So we've been trying to convert it, yeah. So I don't want, yeah, to do. We don't want to do the first one, yeah. But I want to put in. I want to put in where we're going to store it, so we can use this function in many places, right? So we're going to have some inputs, yeah. So the input. So xreg will equal the row. And we'll do the yreg will equal the screen column. Is this my dream code? Not this, but this was here, what I've just been explaining. No. Oh dear. But this is something I was thinking about after the stream. And the accumulator is the number to display. Right? Now, we're only dealing with 2 digits, okay? We're only dealing with 2 digits. So what I'm going to do is we're not going to display the first digit, yeah? But we'll display the next one. Now, why? Right, so we should be able to. I think I've got it somewhere else, haven't I? Hang on. Right, so let's get some local variables in there. Oh, don't you start giving me grief. Go away. Yes, I know. Right, so screen location, we are going to use 14. Yeah, we'll just leave it at 14. Hey, Saucy. So, Xreg is the screen. So, we're going to load. Right, first things first. The accumulator is storing. So, we're going to push the accumulator, put it away somewhere. Then we're going to load oh no, it's not constant, it's storage, isn't it? Storage dot where's the oh, was it in storage? I thought it was in storage. Oh, it's not. Where did we put the screen? Oh, game constants. Is it in there? Yes. Right, okay. It's there. Oh, no it ain't. No it ain't. Right. Okay, let's change this. Right, Xreg is going to be screen location low. Yreg is going to be screen location high. So we'll do that. Right, so STX in there. STY in there. That'll do it. Right. So we've got our location, yeah? So here is where we're going to store it. So in this, we're not going to do this. We're going to go STA. Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me. Mate, it'll be on in the queue. It'll be in the queue. He's asleep at the moment, so I'm not going to wake him. But he will get it. He will get it. He will get it. But thank you very much for the bits, mate. Thank you very much. But he's asleep, as you can tell.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Saucy did it.
Hi,
Oh
Johnny.
dear.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Docster, thank you for the gift subs, mate. 355. Oh my god. That number's nuts. That number is absolutely nuts. I must have knocked you as you pushed back my seat. It's absolutely nuts. 45 away from 400. That's just ridiculous. Ridiculous. You need your head seen to, mate. I am not worth it. Not at all. Right. But thank you anyway. Thank you anyway. Right. Oh, I forgot what I was doing now. Oh, yes. You are too kind, mate. You are too kind. Let's put that there. Right then. So, we are going to display, but we're not going to display... Well, I don't know. Oh, you have your Nico shirt on. Excellent. Did you see Mikroman proudly showing his off? He was like a proud dad. He was like a proud dad. Look at my shirt. I tell you, mate, I've bought 3. One I'm going to wear. One as a backup, but one is always going to be staying in the packaging. Just because of his nibs. Oh, there he is. Speak of the devil. There he is. Yeah. Oh, I was editing. Yeah, I was editing last week's video. I had a tear. Never mind. Anyway, I don't know whether to. All right. I don't know whether to make these 3 digits or not. Let's go. Oops. No, I'm in the right place, John. You're in the right place. Where are we? HUD. I don't know whether to make these 3 digits. You know, these 2 here. And it's absolutely hammering it down outside. I don't know whether to make these 3 digits, just to make life easier. I think might as well. It's not going to hurt, is it? Yeah, it's not going to hurt. Let's do this. Let's get them done. Right, we'll export just the map because that's all. Oh, we need to export everything, don't we? So, go. Right, so we'll do the 3. Means that we'll have to put this in now. So, Y has been set to 0. That's where we want. So, when it's done, then I want to increase Y. Right. But we don't need to do that. Oh, yes, we do. Oh, yes, we do. Right, so we need to do this. Add. That's 0 there. No, that's 0. What am I thinking? That's 0. Add the 0. store it. Increase Y, then we do the next digit, which is this one, and then this one. Right, so we need to set this up. Now, how many... Yeah, there was a thing that I was going to do, mate, was in here. Here. I was going to create something called offset. Thank you for reminding me. And I'll do it as that's the offset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. That's the offset. So characters. So it's constant characters offset. So where are we? Here. Let's sort this out. So constants dot character dot offset. There we go. Really, I really should put that as well, don't I? I really should make that as well. So let's put it down here. Dot label 0 equals 1b dot label 9 equals 25. Right, so let's grab this. So where's 0? Ooh. Oh, let's do the offsets. Let's do the offsets. That's what I was doing here. Right. Grab that. Right, let's change that. Oh, he's bragging about his Amiga game. You brag away, mate. You brag away. Okay. Oh, there as well, isn't it? That's the offset. I suppose I better do it in map as well, hadn't I? Where's map? There. Oh. 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 Draw screen. I thought we added it. Hang on. Load tile. Oh, tile. Oh, that's the offset. Oh. Oh, what am I thinking? It's the hood. Ugh. It's just the hood, isn't it? Right. Let's change it to that. Change it to that. Hood offset. Yeah. Yeah. Me and you were on the same page. You probably got there before me. Right. So that should display wherever we want it to. Right. So did I work out the locations of where these things are? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Right. So I'm sure it's in constants. Where did we put them? There. Right. Cookie. That's the icon. Right. So, yeah. Statbats. In your game, are you collecting toilet rolls? What are you talking about, toilet rolls? You're talking about toilet rolls. Oh, I like the way this looks.
Jess wanted to start
go away.
a business when something surprising happened.
Go away. Oh, back up. I like that. Is that intentional? It's blurred. Or is it just the encoding? Because it looks blurred. And then it sharpens up. There. Oh, it must be the video. It must be the encoding. Must be the encoding. Yeah, yeah. I didn't think you'd do that for intentionally. Right, okay, so let's do the cookies. We said we were going to do the cookies first, yeah? So we're going to copy what we've done here. So the cookies is 21. 16. Right, so we're just testing. So where's initialize? Here we go, initialize. So that's doing that. Right. So we're going to... Oh, John, come on, get a grip. Just put the old hood over here so I can see it. Right, X is low, A is high. Right, so LDX is low of constants dot hood dot cookies location. Here we go. So Y is going to be the bigger one of that. LDA is storage dot storage dot game vars dot I'm not sure what it is. Is it that? It's got to be that. It's got to be that. Yeah, it's got to be that. And then we'll do the JSR display decimal. Right, let's see if we get a number. Or do we just get it going boom? Well, we have... Well, of course we'll have 3 digits, but we don't have a number. A up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It works, ship it. I'm not sure if it works, mate. Something's gone wrong. Something's gone wrong. Because the snake didn't stop. Let's do that again. It's not putting any cookies on the screen, is it? And it's not... Oh, and it's not filling with... Oh, what have I done? What have I done? Right. Okily spokily. So, it's something to do with that display decimal. So, what could be causing... What could be causing it to go wrong? Let's find out. Let's put a breakpoint in. Let's see what damage we're doing. Right. So, we're just about to do the decimal. So, we should... 09093. That looks about right. Load Y with 0. Load X with FF. Oh, why? Oh, hang on. Hang on. We've got 0. Are we calling this before we initialize the... Yes, we are. Like a wally. Dope. Plank. Right. That needs to go into the game initializer. Where's logic? Where's the logic? So, playing game. Initialize gameplay, that's here. There, that's what we want there. So it needs to go there. Right. Oh, yes, okay, okay, okay. What? Oh, the hood. The hood. Oh, and it's broke again. Did I still have the breakpoint in there? No. Let's put it there. Oh, John, my brain's gone. Brain's gone. Right, so LD8, right, we've got 8. We've got 8, definitely 8. Right, here we go. Right, let's go in there. Store, we know that's right. Set the carry. Iron X. Subtract 64. Oh, hang on. Okay. So this should do 0. Okay. So we jump into this. Push the accumulator. Transfer X into A. Oh, it's just destroyed A. Oh no, because we've pushed it. So that's 0. Right, so we should set 0 there. So it's going to set 0. Iron Y. Pull it back. Return. Load. Set. Iron at. Subtract 10. Add it back. So that's 0 again. Right, push it. Yeah, we're still alright. Store it. Has it been a year since Shallon stopped? Wow. Iron Y. Pull. Transfer A into X. 8. Push. Add. Store. Where's that going to store it? 090E. Where did that store that? Where's 090E? Does anybody know where 090E is? 093E. Let's have a look. 093E. That's there, isn't it? It's put 9B in there, but that's wrong. That should have been 3A. We did do the store. And Y is set to 2. Oh, there. It's there. Duh. But it's not on the screen. Can anyone see a character out of position? It should be there. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. 093. Oh. As soon as I've just read it. Why didn't I pick it up? Why didn't I pick it up? Oh, why did... Oh. Tell you, my brain is just absolutely fried. Right. Right, row 21, 16. Row 21, 16. Oh, John, you're an idiot. John, you're an idiot. Plank. Yeah. I tell you, my brain is toast. I need a rest. I need a break. That's what I need. Yes, I've been thinking about that. Putting a plank command in with a corresponding thing for you guys so you can shout it out. Hey D-Type, welcome. Docster, not that you use it much. Yeah, I'm sure you would, mate. Right, here we go. Let's sort this out again. I want to be on the right screen, that one. Right, so that's doing the 0. Right, so that should be doing the other 0. This is the one. Do we get an 8? Yes, we get an 8. Right, we're in the right place now. We're in the right place. Let's take that out. So we should get an 8. Right, we've got an 8. Get in there. Get in there. Right, now. Oh, I've noticed. Why is it not running? Oh, what's going on now? Right, so there's still something wrong with that routine. Still something wrong with it. I shouldn't think so. Because I've made that the temporary 0 page thingy but we'll check. But I'm just going to run through it. I'm going to see what's going to happen, right? So we go in, runs through, does the first one, does the second one, then does the third one. So it should return out, and it did. Okay, have I reused? No, that's not it. Okay. So that is that stuck? Right, let me take the breakpoint out, see if it's getting stuck. Yeah. See if we've got it in a loop somewhere. Right, see what happens. Well, he's certainly doing something. That's rotating round the randomizer. Hello, Professor Tim. Welcome. That is just running round. The randomizer. So where's that? Oh, it's coming from here. Maybe. Maybe it doesn't like that 14. Let's change it to something else. Let's go. We'll go with this one. 0 page low. Right, let's see if it's because I picked a 0 page location I shouldn't have done. Well, there you go. And I thought 14 was a safe 0 page location. Where are we? Oh, I can't see for looking, John. Will I be doing the music for the game? Next question. Next question. 14. Yeah, 14. We're not having a basic. We're not having a basic. Shouldn't affect it. But I checked for that address. Never mind, it's working now. Never mind, it's working now. Right, so Great Defender was pinged me after he watched the stream about keeping track of the cookies, and he'd done a similar thing in his Pac-Man clone, Pac clone I think he called it, where he was adding every time you eat a dot, he was adding, and he was saying that all I have to do is just do the same but subtracting, which is effectively this. Yeah, which is effectively this. So what I was thinking was, because we need it to be done in multiple places, was if we copy this and then just tweak it to make it generic that works with anything, then we can do it like that. So let's do the same thing here. We'll hang on to that. Right, so subtract from. Right, so we're going to subtract from. So we are going to, so X and A. Right, this is where we got to think, because now we need 4 things. Well, there is an idea. There is an idea. Never thought of that. Never thought of that. Wombat. Never thought of that. That is a bang on idea. So we just got to work out the offset. That is a bang on idea. Right, so where's the hood? I've got the hood somewhere, haven't I? Here we are, hood screen location. Right, so we've got that. So let's do this. So dot label cookies offset equals cookies location minus that. So that should give us our offset. If that works, mate, you're gonna get some points. So we'll do y as the offset. We'll do y as the offset. Oh, we'll do y as the offset. So y right, so we're talking that now. We're talking that. So right. I'm gonna have to push that away so I can do this. Oh, here it goes again. It's off. Go away! Then add the offset. No, let's do it the other way around. So transfer and then transfer y into A. CLC ADC that. Store it in there. LDA hash that ADC hash 0, store it in that +1. Right, that's set the location. So that's set the location, right? So Y we've dealt with now. So LDY hash 0. We need to pull back the accumulator. Ooh. Right. Let's turn this around. So that's going to have to be Y, and that's going to have to be X. Right. So Y. These are all Y's now. Oh, it's absolutely chucking it down outside. And then we are... So this is now sec. And this is going to be that. Right. What are we doing? Yeah, but the problem is there's many locations. There's many locations, so we're gonna have to. There's many points where we have to read it, so we're gonna have to use the 0 page. Right, let's sort this out. Right, so we've restored A. We set the carry. We subtract. Now this is the problem. Now this is the problem. We're gonna have to do this. Gonna have to do that. Really? That works? Really, that works? Hang on, I've got to work this out. I got to work this out. I have not seen that before, so let me work that out. I have not seen that way before. Go, every day's a school day. Right. So I want, let's say, right, okay, so we have got 4 and we want to subtract 1. Alright. So 4. So it's 1. And then we EOR it. XOR with FF. -1 because that's a sec, and then we're going to add 4. Oh, sec is a +1, not -1. Okay. Hang on. So 1 XOR FF plus 1 plus 4. Well, I never. God, every day's school day. Well, I never. Right, okay. So let's see if we could, let's explain it. Let's explain this to the guys that are not sure. Right. So we're gonna do this calculation, right? So we're gonna say 4 minus 1, which equals 3. Yeah, for example. Now, what we're doing is we're going to you have to take the 1 because that's the value. 4 is what's on the screen, and we want to minus 1 off that value. So we're sending in 1. Yeah. So basically, we're doing 1 XOR 255. Yeah. So if we put this into binary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that XOR with that equals, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that. Alright? Everybody still with us? Then we do the set carry, which is going to set the carry to be 1. Yeah? But in addition terms, in ADC, that means it's going to add 1 to your result. Yeah. So when we do the ADC, when we do this, when we do that, that's the equivalent of this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That, which is what we've worked out earlier, plus the carry, yeah, plus whatever the number is on the screen. So in turn, that is going to be equal. So let's do this. So that's going to be equal to the number that we're minusing, plus that, because that's what the carry effectively does, plus what the number is have on the screen. Now we've said it's 4. Yeah? So let's take this one step at a time. So the first two equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Yeah, it's equal to that. Then we are going to take that number and add this, which in essence equals this. Essence equals that. But remember, this is the carry. That is the carry flag. So what are we left with? What we left with? 3. Have I got a 0 too many? 1, 2, 4, 8. Alright, yeah. 1 too many zeros. There you go. Well, that deserves... That deserves that. I have never thought of it that way before. Never thought of it that way before. Every day's a school day. Saucy. Saucy. Don't say that, because if I look in my code and I find this, then I forgot to do it. Well, I never forget I said that, because I'm telling you now, if I look in the code and I've done this, yeah, well, never thought of doing it that way. Now I see it, I'm thinking, why didn't I think that? Yeah, you just add in the negative number, which is the same. That's what I'm saying. Why did I never think of that? Why did I never think of that? So here, basically, it's this, isn't it? It's -1 plus 4. That's basically what it's doing. Cool. Every day's a school day. Every day's a school day. Right, so we now have... That happens a lot in Jetpack. Wow. Wow. Every day's a school day. Right, okay then. It's a 9-bit 6, 5, 10. Right then. Okay, what have I missed? Somebody said something. Who said it? I caught it just... Did someone mention that I've got a test for... Saucy. Right, Saucy said it. Yeah, you're right, mate. So, I think 0... Let's do this. Plus constants. Because I've got it written, got it now in there. Characters 0, I think. So branch if less than. Now the problem is I need to make it... No, branch if less than. That'll be fine. That'll be fine because it's still equal to. So if it's less than, then we need to... Now we need to decrease the one before it. Right? So, okay, so in this particular instance, we then need to add 10. We need to add 10. So, if it's 4, let's say if it's 1 minus, 4 minus 5, say, that will take it to -1. So we need to add 10 to make it 9. Yeah? So we make it 9. DEY, and then we decrease the one in front. Dude, I've got to put you down for that one, mate. So simple as well. Oh, I still can't believe I didn't think of that. Right, so every time we eat a cookie, we need to... The clipper's back. The clipper's back. Right. So, now. Right, so... We need to, every time we eat a cookie, we need to do this subtract from. So, game logic, where's the cookie stuff? Where's the cookie stuff? Here, somewhere here. That's crumbs. Here we go. Here's the cookie stuff. So it's there. So, LDA. Oh. So, LDA hash 1. Because we're taking one away. LDY hash. Well, in this particular case, it's going to be 2. It's going to be 2. LDY 2. And LDX is dot that, and JSR the hood dot subtract from, and then we'll subtract the cookie. Right, let's see if oh, you are joking me. No. No, please don't say it. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Radio. Okay. Hey, Mikroman. Right, okay, so still have the digit. Yeah, okay. Might as well put it back to X then. Right. Don't need all that then. Don't need all that. Don't need that.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello. Who's followed? VR Warehouse. Welcome. Welcome to the Madhouse. Welcome to the Madhouse. Right, so we need to change this. So LDA is 1, LDY is the oh, John, your brain's not working today, mate. Oh, I'm doing it there. +2. Right. Let's see if that does it now. Let's see if that does it. So, cookies. We're watching the number decrease for the cookies. Right, let's pick one. Let's pick one that's going to be easy to do. Right, here we go. Right, here we go. So this should go down to 7 when we eat it. Oh, nailed it. Come on, 6. 5, 4... 3, 2, 1. Ha 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 ha! Oops! Oh, hang on. Oh, my bad. Press a key, John. Oh, maybe not press a key. Oh, it's crashed. If it ain't... Set the cookies more than 9 and test. Yeah, first I need to find out why that didn't... move on. That should have gone to reset. Yeah, that should have gone to reset. Why did that not? Right. Let's right. Let's put a breakpoint there. We'll change the number. We'll change the number. And we will put 11 cookies on the screen. yeah, right. Right, let's run the debugger and let's find out what's going on. Oh. That's a new one. I was saying, that's a new one. Right. That. Oh, have I got it slow? Right, so, up. Oh, this is going to take ages. I know what's wrong with this. Let me see if I can run it in admin mode. There you go. It's weird. Weird. Right, so we've got 11. So let's see, when we eat 2 cookies, does the subtraction work? There's 10. Come on, John. Oh, look at that. It's gone to 9. You've got adverts. Ugh. Right, 3 more. So we've tested that it's taken away from the digit before. Oh, John. Right, why did you... Right, here we go. So load 04, store it away. Oh, that's the map. So we're increasing the map. So we're loading now 4. F 267F. There it is. So it did go in it. Right, okay. Does it go on? Oh, it's not going on. That's why. So it did go in there. It did go in there, but it's not.
Here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Docster. I thought he'd subscribed then, but it's you. Oh, man. That's so kind. That's so kind, mate. Well, technically he has subscribed. Yes. Because I was just thinking, why isn't it come up? But it's a gift sub. Thank you, Docster, for giving him ad-free viewing. Right, let's find out why it didn't carry on. What have I done wrong to make it not carry on? Oh, I hate that now. That's getting in the way. Choose difficulty. Reset. Where's the reset? Gameplay. There. No? Where's the reset? Ah, reset here. Load 197, compare it with 64, branch if equal. Oh, John. Plank. Oh. Of course, that's not going to work. Yes, I'll get it done. I'll get it done, mate. I'll get it done. I'll get it done. Even if I have to record it live and add it to the bot, all right? Live, I'll get it done. The reason why that's not working, anyone guess? Anyone guess why that's not working? Yep. We've turned off interrupts. So we need to clear it and then set it when it's finished. Because that's only a temporary thing. Right, so this should now work. Right. So the score's going up all right. And the cookies are going down. Oh, I missed it. Six, 5, 4, 3. Missed it again. Oh, rubbish at this. Right. So don't touch it. It says there's one more cookie. Where's the cookie? Let's do that again. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 on screen. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Right. So we've got the right number of cookies on the screen. There we go. So now if I press a key, we should get the next map up. There we go. Right, that's sorted that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's definitely 11 there. Right, so we need to now do the levels. We need to now get the level on there. So let's do that. Now we've figured it out. Now we've figured it all out. CLI before the label. Yes, yes. Right. So, am I in constants? Yes. So we need to do that. So let's grab that and we'll do this now. So this is now levels location. Level. And level is 1821. Okay. Right. So let's get that on there. So the levels only has to be displayed once. And that's when we set up the screen for the next. So when we do this initialize gameplay. So that's where. Is it cold? I'm feeling cold, yes. I'm feeling cold. Don't know if I'm coming down with anything, but... Right. So, we're going to do the same thing now, but this is levels location. Now, there is a flag down here. Down. Not there. Not there. Where is it? Ah, here. So that then should display what map we're on. Because it's only ever going to be called once. Right, so I'm going to reduce the number of cookies down to make it so it's quicker. So let's put 5 on there. And let's see if the map number is on the screen. There what? Map 1, level 1. Here we go. Oh, John. You missed it. It's cold here. Had no heating. No, I've had no heating on, mate. I'm Yorkshire, you know. It's past February, mate. You don't put heating on after February. Right, here we go. Right, so press a key. Do we go to level 2? There we go. Level 2. Come on. Let's just make sure. Yeah, I need some sound effects. I don't know how I'm gonna. I need some sound effects, or if anyone wants to offer for sound effects and stuff. But I do need sound effects. We'll never know if it goes past 9 unless John has played. Yeah. Well, I've got some more maps to put in that SP gave me. I've got some more maps to put in, but it looks like it's increasing. Yeah. But what we'll do is, if we let's say if we only have 10 maps, then we'll just make the array go up to 100, but it repeats the 10 maps. Yeah. But it's definitely going up. There we go. Does the speed? Yes, we've got a speed increment. We haven't implemented it yet. So we've got a thing where we're adding cookies. So we haven't done that mechanism yet. That's where that pause is. Yeah. So we've got a way of increasing the number of cookies on the screen. We've got a timer that we haven't set up yet. So that's the timer. That's this bit here. We haven't got that going yet. Yeah. So there'll be a time aspect to it as well. But this is the decreased. This is the for every time you run it, the timer gets decreased by that amount. That's the timer deduction. We haven't even thought about the bonus, but Crumb's growth value. That's the score when it goes up. Initial speed. The initial speed is here. That's the initial speed. So that's for difficulty phase 101. Yeah, that's difficulty for phase 101. But we'll have different arrays that we can tweak and make it. But we need to start thinking about applying the differentials. So here, when we do the initialization, we don't actually set anything. The only thing that gets set is this, is the cookies. But we would... do but that's this. Have we got a fraction? Do we have the cookies game vase? Where's game vase? Do we have the cookie fraction? Cookies left. Where's the initializer? There. Oh, we need the fraction in there. We need the fraction in there. Unless it's this. Oh, I've forgotten. So, we need to have initial time. We need to have a You won't need to record the crumbs unless you plan to only complete the level when everything is eaten. No, we're not gonna record the crumbs. It's just the cookies, yeah? So the crumbs are added, yeah? But we need to think about timer. We need to think what the default timer would be. Alright, FaiRLane, thank you for joining. Hey, Mr. Warlock, welcome. Bet you've got your coffee in hand. Well, I'll be an hour closer to you next week. From next week. Unless you've got your summertime happening next week. Oh, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, mate. Chat, well, say happy birthday to Warlock. Happy birthday, mate. Yeah, I mean... The Brits go forward in time on Sunday, so I might be an hour closer to you next week. Right, so timer. So we've got six digits for the timer, yeah? And and we're going to be taking we've got a decreased value. Oh, right, okay. Well, I might rethink that. So what are we going to set the timer to? What are we going to set the timer to? Oh, yours changes on the 2nd of April. Right. Oh, that was a clever thing, Mikroman. I know. I'm glad you're on the ball. Oh, stupid hat swiveling around my head. In fact, let's make it better. There we go. Oh, that's not done it. That's not done it. That's because I can't do my own commands properly. There we go. There we go. Happy B-Day to you. Happy B-Day to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, Smeghead. Oh dear. Hey, buddy. Oh, hang on. Don't you dare sneeze all over my mirror. Oh. Aston. Hey. Kiwi. Oh, he's getting ready to sneeze. Oh, is it? You know that? You know when you're in that stage? I think he's. It's so funny. You can't. You guys can't see it because the camera's not pointing. Hang on. Are you going to sneeze or not? You want to, don't you? He's been snorting too much puppy blow. He's been snorting something. You want a bicky? You want a bicky? Oh, you can't hear that well, can you? Right. Want a bicky? You want a bicky?
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Line them up, son. Oh dear. Right, let's get Docsters out. And SPs. There we go. And I'll get one of these out for him. Because he's been a good boy tonight. He's been a good boy. He ain't pestered me yet, has he? Wait. Aston. Look what I got. Look. Kiwi. Do you want this? Do you want this? Look what I got. Look what I got. Oh, come on then. Come on then. Look what I got. There you go. There you go. He's going to get another coat tomorrow. That needs a wash. Right, timer. So let's start thinking about the timer. How are we going to implement the timer? So we've got 6 digits, I think, for the timer. So how quickly are we going to get rid of them? First things first. What? Oh, he's still going for it, isn't he? Maybe if we have the timer set to that. -1 every second. Well, that's an awful lot of seconds there, isn't it? If we use them all. Here you go, mate. There's a little thing. Here you go. Come on, go. Cool, you have to think about it. It's there, look. Oh, there you go. It's on the floor now. Oh, you don't mind eating them? Oh, you got it stuck in your teeth now. He's got it stuck in his teeth. Gonna have to count down fast then. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Arcade, I think, gave around 8,000 as the bonus timer and counted down pretty quickly. Faster if you stepped in a wall. Yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. Well, we'll leave it at 99999 and then we will do something about it, yeah? So let me just export this again. Hang on, buddy. You got another one. There you go, dude. Oh, it's over there. Oh, it's over there. It's over there. Over there. Over there. It's over there, look. God, he's as blind as a bat. There we go. He spotted them. He spotted them. Right. So let's run that. So we should now have 4 9s. Right. Now let's. Well, this is it, right? So if we started off at 99999, yeah, then we don't have this time. We don't have this timer interval, yeah. We'll have we'll have it called the timer digit, yeah. And we don't need this timer value because we've already got the value on the end. Unless we use that timer at the end as a bonus. I don't know. We'll see. So, that's it, mate. You've had your biscuits. That's all the guys have given me. That's all the guys have given me. Yes. I'm sorry. Talk to your adoring public, not me. Look. Hang on, I don't know if you see him. Look.
Oh my god, more bits?
Oh.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh. Alright, SP's just bought you another biscuit, mate. There you go. There you go. Come on. Go on, grab it. Grab it. It's still in my hand. There you go. Oh, he's dropped it. Has he got it? Has he got it? Oh, pick it up then. Take it in your bed. Thank you, SP. Oh, he's got the biscuit I've just given him, right? Because he's got no teeth, he'll gum it to death. That will last a while, that will. Because he's got to soften it up first. He needs to be wearing a rugby jersey with a number on it. Yeah, but can you find a rugby jersey? I mean, it would be a football jersey for me. By the way, he's still not had one of these yet. And I'm not having one. They look horrifying. They do, they look horrifying. Look. Sprats, whatever sprats are. No, 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 not they, not these. Apparently, it's the fish called sprat, whatever that is. %, fresh fish, gently air dried. It's a fish called Wanda. But he hasn't had one of them yet. Told you it's going to take him a while to get through that. He's got to soften it up first. Right. So this is going to be the timer digit that we're going to reduce it by. And we can say that we're going to reduce it by the timer value. So let's get back into our... Here. Let's get back into here. So the timer... Right, so is it that? Was it after... Oh, John. I need more screen space. Game storage. Let's stick that in there so I can see. Right. Let's go back to game vars. So it's after the treat scut. Have you finished that? No way. He's finished it. Now you know what he's waiting for. Alright, buddy. Alright. Right, guys. I will just put you on pause for a second while I go and take Boogalugs out. Are you wanting wee-wees now? Yeah? Okay. Look at him. Look at him. You on wee-wees now? Yeah? Alright. Right, I won't be long. Right, I won't be long. I'll just put you on the pause and I'll see you in a second. Right. So, the digit... Right, so the digit's going to be 1 minus whatever we've got. So, how many digits we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it's going to be 5. So, the digit is 5. Right, so timer digit. So the digit is 5. And the timer value we're going to timer deduction value. So in phases term we're going to say 1, right? So we're going to delete, we're going to reduce the timer counter by 1, and so we can do 10 by 10 and stuff, and we'll mess around with it, yeah? So let's put that in the game loop. It's because he didn't get anything. Did you? Alright, mate, come here. I'll give you something. Come here. Come here. There you go. There you go. Grab it then. There you go. That's the difference between Aston and Nico. As Nico would have had my hand off, Aston has to smell it, decide whether he thinks it's going to taste nice, then gives it a lick before he decides, oh, it is nice, and then takes it. Yeah. Nico would have had my hand off. Yeah, Nico would have had my hand off, but he's a different character altogether. Oh, my head's screwed up. Right. So let's put this in the game logic. So we're going to so we would have transferred all that into there. So where's the game loop? Here. So what we're going to do is we will decrease the timer in here, yeah? So if we do... So we're going to use the same subtract from. And so we're going to go... So X... Oh, we need to work out the offset first. Right, first things first. Offset. Right, let's work out the offset. So the timer location. Timer location is 21 and 14. And then the timer offset is that. Right, there we go. So there's the offset. So let's put this in. So X is the offset. Right. Oh. Yeah, we can do it. Oh, no, it's not. It's HUD. Oh, John. Timer offset. ADC game storage. Dot game bars. Dot timer digit. Now once we worked it out, transfer that into X, and then we're going to load A with the value timer value, then JSR the HUD dot subtract from. Right, let's see if we get a timer. Ooh. Oh yes, where's that? Game logic. Because we've renamed them now, haven't we? So that's not timer interval. That is now... So timer score, treat score, yeah. So this is timer digit. Timer digit. Oh, we missed timer value. Well, I never. We missed timer value. That would have been painful. Treat spawning value. Oh, we don't need that. Then speed increase value. Speed increase factor. That's after the treats. Hang on. I think I've got this all mixed up. Yes. Yes. Yeah. It didn't work. Alright, I'll keep an eye on it, mate. I'll keep an eye on it. Oh. Yeah, it would have done. It would have just scrolled past. Right. Now, will it work? That's Nico chasing his cookies out of Nico's run. And you'll see Nico, the next one is Nico flying with the UFO chasing him from the game. Well, there's the timer going down. Here he is. Well, the timer's going down. You finished that. You finished that. Yeah. I think you're right there. Right, so we can let's sort that out. So let's reduce it by 1. In fact, 2. Let's just do it by the 4, yeah? So we'll re-export it. What's up? Oh, you want another one? God, mate, that's just being greedy. Let's change the. He's gonna sit. He's gonna go to his bed and now mope. I can see it. Right, so we don't position. We've just taken 2 away, so position 3. Right, let's see if that. Right, so let's say if we was say on easy, we could say that it goes down by 2, yeah? See if it goes down by 2 without a problem. Oh, that's rocketing through it, isn't it? Let's do 5s. Cool. That's going to be hard, isn't it? What's the matter, mate? You've had all those biscuits and now you want to go out again? Is that what you're telling me? You've hit your critical mass, have you? Hang on, guys. Let me just go and take him out. I won't be a sec. Come on. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah, we haven't got there yet, have we? We ain't got there. But that's just showing how fast we could make it. I mean, more than likely, I mean 10, that's 10. We're going to need a way of reset. We're going to need a way of resetting the timer anyway. Yeah. So, we've got the check in there. So let's put that back. Do that. So we need to. So we're going to need to a way of checking. This HUD will self-destruct. Going down by 5s, it will end up as -1. Yeah, right. So we've got LD. So we'll initialize that, and we'll initialize. I'm just trying to think how I can test for it. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I was thinking about, adding all the 4 characters to see if they're all, because if you add them all up and it's all 0, done, dusted, kaput. But you've got to remember that we're adding 128 to it. So we've got to... Yeah, okay, so load. Timer offset. Yeah, got to ditch the high bit. The high bit. Oh, it's not the timer. Oh, it is the timer offset. No, it's not. It's timer location, isn't it? That's it. So, we have then got to AND it with the constants dot characters dot offset, HUD offset. There we go. That gets rid of that end bit, and then we've got a -0, haven't we? There we go. So that should give us the proper value. Then add the total. Right, so add to total. Right then. So INY CPY #4 branch not equal to looper. Night D-type. See you later. So then that's done the hood. That's done the hood. And then we load compare it with 0. Right, we'll do the standard stuff. So branch, if equal to 0, that means right. That are you missing something? Yes, because probably I haven't put the that in. Yeah? No, mate, no. I spotted it, but I was going to systemize this. I was going to systemize this. That's what I was going to do. That's what I was looking at. That's what I was looking at. Right. So that would give us a thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in. Oh, come on. Do we add timer remaining to score at the end of level? More than likely, yeah. More than likely, yeah. So we can use that routine to wind down the timer and increase the score. So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the test in here. So we do the subtract and then we do JSR the hood dot oh, it's got to be in there somewhere. Yes, exactly. Right, so check for timer, and then if it's so branch if carry clear to not ended. Oh, John, come on. So it just carries on. But if it is ended, then we are going to do, we'll just get it to move on to the next map. Yeah, so we'll do this. We'll just get it to move on to the next map, just for testing purposes, and then we'll do an RTS there. Right. So we had a one that was
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Saucy. You made sure you got that on stream, didn't you? That's not gonna get cut out on the videos, is it? 13 months. Thank you very much, mate, for subscribing. Ugh. Thank you. Right. Yes. We need a way of resetting the timer, don't we? I'm just wondering. Reset the timer. Right. Need a way of resetting the timer. So, are we going to... We have to set the last digit to 0. Got to set the last digit to 0, I think. Because if we do it in 5s, we'll never hit the 0. Yeah. I mean, if we do it in 4s, will we ever hit the 0? Yeah, we would, but it would be several rotations, wouldn't it? Yeah. Elevens is. Yeah, I was thinking the 3 plus 0. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. I was going to do this. Put the 0 in, which is this. And then store it there. We don't need to do that. Don't need to do that. DEY. Branch of plus. And then here, CPY that branch not equal to next. And then LDA that. I think it was 2.5, wasn't it? So that should reset the timer. So load it there, store it. Is it number of... No, but if it is, which is the first character, we'll change it to a 9, and then that's what will happen afterwards. So we can get rid of all that. And we can put reset timer now in the initializer in here. So do the HUD initialize. Yeah, we could put it in there. Right. Let's see what happens. Kaboom! Yeah. Kaboom! I didn't even think that went around the first cycle. There's one too many characters there. I wonder if it's because of that. I wonder if it's something to do with that. Let's see. Fastest level ever. Yeah. Right. Let's see. Oh. Okay. See if it resets it. LDY4. Store it. Oh, one too many. One too many. Okay. D5, DEY. Store. Oh, is that... That's one. A5. Maybe that is 4. Yeah, that's gone. That's our test is not working. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Right. No need for the CPYBNE. No. I can see where you're going. Just get it to do it all the time. Yeah. Level skipping for free. Yeah. I think it's something to do with our... I think it's something to do with the timer end check. So we'll put a breakpoint there, and we'll see what's going on. Right. Let's see what's going on, because I think it's to do with something about that. Right. Oh, right. So that's doing our... So let's turn that off, because we don't need it. Right. Here we go. So now we're doing the timer end check. The problem is, it still put a 9 on the end. That should have been 0. We'll have to look at that. Right. So, load, which is A4. It was, you just did -1. Did I? Okay, I'll have a look in a minute. And it with that. Oh, no. Right. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. No! He's put a 0 on the end. Right. Let me do this. Why is that? Oh, 89. Oh, John, you're a plank. Absolute plank. It was right. It was right. Right, hang on. Let me just sort this out. Right, I'm just gonna scroll up and down very quickly so you can't find out what I did wrong. God, don't believe that. I don't believe I did that. Don't believe I did that. I tell you, my brain's not switched on. Right. It should be alright now. It should be alright now. Oh dear, it's a long day. Right, where are we? F11 to the next breakpoint. Here we go. Right, so that counter's right. The counter's right, alright? It's right, alright? Right, F8. Here we go. So load. A4. Get rid of it. Right, 24. Subtract 1B. 9! Yes, the first digit is 9. Lovely! Right, had it. Where did that add it? 27EE. Oh, there. No. Oh. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. Oh dear. John. Nothing to see. I'll distract you by all the other things that are going off and not... Right, let's just check this is working now. It should be working now. Right. 2, 4, subtract that, gives us 9, which is right. Store it. Hey, it's gone 9. No, there it is. Yeah, now it's gone 9. Increase Y. Increase Y. Ah. Right, compare it with 4. No, get the next one, which is a 4. 2, 4, subtract 9 again. Yes, that's right. Store it. So should we have 18, which is 12? Yep. Next one should be an 8. So load A3, get rid of that, subtract that. That's 8. Add it. 1A, that's 20. No. 26. 9, 18, 26, yeah. Then last one is 9. Right, okay, add it. Store it, yeah. Then it should go I and Y. Compare with 4. There we go. Load 23. That's right. Compare it with 0. Branch if equal to 0. No, it's not. So the timer's... Yeah, there we go. There we go. Sorted. Right. Let's run it now normally and see if it will do it naturally. Oh, that's going to take a while, isn't it? Oh, no! Right, our understanding must be wrong. Well, Aston's sleeping anyway. why is the timer not working? Let's get rid of that. So 999. F11. Oh, oh. I see the problem. It's not my day today. I'm definitely going to be putting that plank command in. It's stupid. Shouldn't be making this many mistakes. You're doing that Monty Python sketch, aren't you? Right. Right, that's sorted it. That's sorted it. That has sorted it. Right. There we go. Right, let's speed it up. Let's speed it up. So we'll go down in 5s because that was quick, wasn't it? Right, here we go. So that's effectively a second, isn't it? 79. Oh, it's probably faster than a second. 1001, 1002, 1003. Yeah, it's faster than a second. Right, here we go. 20, 10. Yay! There we go. There we go. Timer works. Timer works. Oh, we seem to have... our multicolour seems to have gone a bit wonky. Yeah. Our multicolour seems to have got a bit wonky. Is that? I wonder if that's because we're doing the. Is it the? We're doing the XOR. Is it? Yeah, we're doing the XOR, aren't we? Right. So we need to set. Multicolour to be on, don't we? On the reset. We do that here, but we'll do it on the reset. We'll do it here as well. Right, that should sort that out. I've still got a sneaky suspicion that that test will not work. Still will not work. I'm going to try it in a minute. Just my right. So that works. Right. Press a key. Yep. We're back. We're back. Right. I've got a sneaky suspicion this won't work. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. Woo! Try 7. Okay. Yeah, thought that. Right. So we've overcomplicated. we've overcomplicated that timer check, because I think all we need to do. Right. So I'm just going to. Do that. I think all we need to do is this. Well, in fact, we can just do that. No. Oh, no, yes. Oh, John, get your brain together, John. Right. Let's see if that catches it now. Because I think we've overcomplicated it. Yeah, the message there, look. Look, it's there. Right. Oh, okay. So what is that value then? What is that value? That's good point, John.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Oh! I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. So that's going to be 127, isn't it? I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. I'm glad you're there to keep me. Oh dear. Someone asked at the game jam. It's Easter, I think. Easter, so we ain't got a lot of time. We ain't got a lot of time to get this finished. But we're getting there. Oh, you're joking. Right. Hang on. The space is there, and we've put it in the reverse, so that's... So 127. It should be 127. What's the character that's there now? It should have been 128. I mean, we can look at it. Let's fire it up. Let's go and have a look. Ooh, wrong one. Right, so it's going down. So we're round the bottom of the... Oh, that... Is that us? No, that's not us. That's it there. Right, so that. So they're the three. That's the digit there. I think that's the one there. We'll see if it goes down when it goes down to 1. So that's gone to 1. 9C is 1. It went up. Right. 0740. So, hang on. Load, isn't it? 0740. Here we go. So it's 80. Right. So it's definitely 80. So that should go down to 7F. Oh. Is it though? We're subtracting, so we go to 7F. No, it should... When it pulls, it should decrease from that one. Let's see. Let's see. $89. Oh, it's gone to 89. Yeah, it's had a 10, hasn't it? Okay, well that's what we'll do then. That's what we'll do. We'll test for 89. Right. So this should stop. Oh, really? That is annoying. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. That's a good one, mate. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one, mate. My brain's not with it today. My brain's not with it today. And to be honest, don't need that either. It's been a rough few weeks at work, so brain's not in it. That's why I decided to not code this weekend. That's why I took a break. Come on. There we go. There we go. So that's done it. So press a key and it resets. So that works now. But what we'll do is when the timer runs out, we won't be having that. It'll be a new screen, yeah? So the HUD will be reset. I mean, to be honest, we could reset the timer anyway. But what I need to do is to make sure that the reset timer works, is to do this. So LDA hash do that. Then that will make sure there's a space. That will make sure that there's space. So when we do the reset, that will do that. I mean, to be honest, we could do just temporarily. Where are we? There. We could just reset it just for the moment. But that resets it to 9s, doesn't it? Yeah, I can't be bothered. Right, so we've got. Right. I thought the HUD would be dead simple. So we've got the timer working now. We've got the score working. We've got the number of cookies working. Lives is next. Lives is next, and this is. Yeah. Right, let's put that back to how it was. So 1. So on easy, that'll be that. So that should take a long time to count down on easy. About 3 minutes. So for progression terms, we've got to make it that the decrease value increases. Yeah. So it's basically, say map 2 would make that. Oh, we could do that now, couldn't we? We could do that now. So what we need to do is timer digit, timer value. So let's just put that in. Let's put that sort of mechanic in. But we'll have to make it proper. Oh, when we've completed. Here we go. When we've completed here. So what we could do is we could go inc timer value. So on map 2 it goes down by 2. Yeah. So here we go. So that's going down by 1, yeah? Oh, and John missed it. Right, so we do that. Now it should go down by 2s. It is. Now, is that too drastic? Because then it'd be 3s. Yeah, it's too drastic, isn't it? So we need a timer value offset, I think. Right, okay, let's because it's port past, let's do this. So we've implemented the timer, done. Score, done. High score, no. Number of cookies, done. Levels, done. Seeing as that we're here, need to add timer reducer. Oh, John. Timer No. The oh, that's way too high, isn't it? The timer reduction for hitting the wall. I think we could just do it as, say, double. Whatever it is, but then that becomes tricky because when you do 18, so we might have a fixed value. I don't know. We'll see. Need to add timer level mechanism, increase reduction value. So we need to put that in. What else did we need? We need to put in. increased cookie mechanism. So every time you go into a new map, you get more cookies. Because we haven't done any of that yet. Increase Aston speed mechanism. No, SP, no. We're going to use fractions. So what I was thinking for easy mode, that the timer would increase by 1, say on the 5th map, yeah. But on hot evil mode, let's say the next map would be increased by 1, yeah. So it's the fractions. We're going to be doing the fractions, yeah. So that's why we need to put the mechanism in place to allow us to do that. Not that the timer reduces based on the map number. No. So it's going to be based on a fraction. So for phase mode, for example, right, that it would be, let's say 10 maps. He has to do 10 maps before the timer kicks into reducing on 2s, yeah. And then, so that would be a fraction value that would, when we iterate it through 10 times, it then would deduct 1 or add 1 to the timer value. So yeah, don't worry about that. That's why I'm saying we need to look at these game vars and figure out what we need, yeah. Mate, you asked for your own difficulty level, mate. You're going to get the rib taken out of you for it. So we need to work out the mechanisms for when we go on the next maps. We need to do the high scores. We need to do the number of lives. So that's when the death mechanism gets into place, which we haven't even looked at that yet. We've got it that the snake can't go back on itself, and that's what we need to test for the net death mechanism. So it's 11:30 and my brain is fried, as you can tell by the number of mistakes I'm doing. I will try and get the plank command into the bot for the next stream, so you guys can just do exclamation plank, so I don't have to do it. And if anybody wants to record it and send it to me and say, here, use this, I'll do it if you want me to. You can have your voice on there going, John, you plank, or whatever. I don't mind. Right, so I don't know whether to do a plan or just try and wing it. You will do that. All right, FaZe. Okay. So, is anybody going to give me any sound effects? Or have I got to try and make fart noises again? Because we need to think about sound effects. AA plank voice coming up. Yeah, more than likely. All right, guys. Right, I'm going to. Right, let's get this done. It's episode 8, isn't it? Oh, you've been thinking about it. Got to get grip with the lovely tracker. Yes, unfortunately. Yeah. All right then, guys. Let's go and raid somebody. I wonder if Charlie's on. Let's have a look. Let's see who's on. Who's on? Yeah, Charlie's on. Or should we go Xiphoid this time? Should we go Xiphoid? Let's go Xiphoid this time. Night, everyone. Let's raid Xiphoid, and I will see you on Wednesday. Take care, guys. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.